Hello friends, you are watching This is Awesome Videos, and today we are going to solve some past year JEE problems of the chapter integration. Okay, so today we are going to solve the integration problem, and from the last 2 or 3 video lectures I solved the problems of sequence and series. We see the formulas and we solve the past year problems. Okay, now I am moving forward to the integration and the differentiation. Okay, we all know the basic formulas of integration and differentiation. We just need to know how to apply it. Okay, so I'm not going to cover the formula. If the formula is there in the sum, I am going to tell you what is the formula and you have to write it down. Okay, so let's see the first example. This question is asked in JEE 2013. What's the statement? Two statements are given. Statement 1, the value of the integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx upon 1 plus root of 10x is equal to pi by 6. And statement 2 is integration a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So these are the 4 options and we have to select the correct option. Okay, so what they say, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, both the statements are true, and statement 2 is not a correct explanation for statement 1. Okay, second statement, statement 2 is true and statement 2 is false, statement 1 is false, statement 2 is true, statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and statement 2 is correct explanation for statement 1. If this is the correct explanation, then we have to select the option number D. Okay, now see friends, what they say. Here it is given that pi by 3 to pi by 6, pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx upon 1 plus root 10x is equal to pi by 6. We just need to use the basic formula. Which is the formula? The formula is this: integration a to b f of x ds is equal to integration a to b f of a plus b minus x. That means upper limit minus upper limit plus lower limit minus x into dx. Okay, so this we take this is equal to iota. So we take this is equal to I is equal to integration of pi by 6 to pi by 3 dx upon 1 plus root of 10x. Now what is the formula? Formula is equal to upper limit plus lower limit minus x. So put here upper limit plus lower limit minus x. So pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x, it is pi by 2 minus x, and pi by 2 minus x, tan of pi by 2 minus x is equal to cot x. So we left with dx upon 1 plus root of cot x, but cot x is equal to 1 upon tan x. So 1 root of cot x is equal to 1 upon root of tan x, and by taking LCM I left with this pi by 6 to pi by 3 root of tan x upon 1 plus root of tan x dx. Okay, got it? I just simply put here x is equal to pi by 3 plus pi by 6 minus x, that is pi by 2 minus x. So it's like that cot x, and then cot x is equal to 1 upon tan x, and just simplify this. So I come with this equation. Now I just have to add this up. So I plus I is equal to 2i, and here integration gets common out, and the numerator is 1 plus root 10x, denominator is same 1 plus root 10x, both gets cancelled out, and we left with only dx. Okay, we left with only dx. So dx integration is x, and the limit is pi by 6 to pi by 3. Then we have to put upper limit, then minus lower limit. So first I put pi by 3 minus pi by 6. Pi by 3 minus pi by 6 is equal to pi by 6. So 2i is equal to pi by 6. So I is equal to pi by 12. Okay, so our answer is pi by 12, and here it is, they say that it is pi by 6. So answer is not correct. So our right option is statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. So option number 3 is our right option. Option number 3 is our right option. Okay, let's see one more example. This is asked in JEE 2014. What they say, the integral of 0 to pi square root of 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2 dx equals to. Very easy sum. See friends, this is the formula, this is the whole equation. 1 minus 4 sin x by 2 plus 4 sin square x by 2. This is the whole square equation. 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 whole square. And if we cancel out, please remember this thing. If we cancel out the square root and square, then mode appears. So here integration I is equal to 0 to pi 1 plus 4 sin square x by 2 minus 4 sin x by 2. So I can write it down as 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 whole square. Square root and square gets cancel out. Square root and square gets cancel out. So here mode is appear. Now friends, when the mode is appear, we just have to split the limits when mode becomes 0. Please note this point down. Where there is a mode, then we have to split the limit at that point where the mode becomes 0. Now see, this becomes 0 where? At which point? So 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 is equal to 0. So sine x by 2 is compulsory 1 by 2. Sine x by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. That means sine x by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So x by 2 is equal to pi by 6. So x is equal to pi by 3. So we have to split this equation at the point pi by 3, and that we have done. So 0 to pi by 3, 1 minus 2 sine x by 2. At that region 0 to pi by 3, 1 minus sine x by 2, this is positive. Okay, so for that 0 to pi by 3, this is positive. So mode comes, and if we split the mode, then it gets the positive sign. So 1 minus 2 sine x by 2 dx plus pi by 3 to pi, and it gives, at that region it gives negative sign. Okay, so we apply negative sign, minus of 1 minus 2 sine x by 2. Here it's not pi, here it's x by 2 dx. Now just simply integrate this. Okay, so by integrate this, one's integration is x minus 2 sine x by 2's integration is, what is the integration? Minus cos x by 2 upon 1 by 2. So here is the integration, x plus 4x by 2, 0 to pi by 3 plus minus x minus 4 cos x by 2 pi by 3 to pi. Okay, now first put the upper limit, then put the lower limit. So it is pi by 3 plus 4 cos pi by 3. Here pi by 3 cos pi by 3, that is root 3 by 2. Then put lower limit, it's 0 plus cos 0 is minus 1. So here minus 1 is for cos 0. Okay, then minus gets common out and put the limits, pi minus pi by 3, then minus, what is here? It is 4 cos pi by 2, that is 0, and 4 into cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2. Now just simplify this. So by simplifying this, we left with this, 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3. 4 root 3 minus 4 minus pi by 3. So our answer, option number 4, is the right option. Okay, very easy question. Here last, you have to just simplify this. Okay, it's very easy. You just need to know one thing, that when the mode appears, this type of mode question in integration are frequently asked in the very examination. You just have to know one thing, where the mode appears, you just have to need split it down the limits at the point where the mode becomes 0. Okay, let's see one more example. This is also asked in JEE 2014. The integral of this, integration of 1 plus x minus 1 by x into e raised to x plus 1 by x dx is equals to. Now see friends, how we are going to do this. This is a tricky question. Okay, see, here you can see that the e raised to power is x plus 1 by x. So that's differentiation. X plus 1 by x differentiation is 1 minus 1 by x square. 1 minus 1 by x square. But if I multiply that by x, then I have x minus 1 by x. So by that thinking, I get the idea that my assumption is x into, because I have to multiply the differentiation of this x plus 1 by x, then I can get x minus 1 by x. So my assumption is x into e raised to x plus 1 by x is equal to t. So I made an assumption, x into e raised to x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Now take the differentiation. X is, first take x as a constant, then this e raised to x plus 1 by x differentiation is e raised to x plus 1 by x, then this x plus 1 by x differentiation is 1 minus 1 by x square plus e raised to x plus 1 by x constant, and x's differentiation is dx and t's differentiation is dt. Okay, now just I take x into x raised to x plus 1 by x common. So e raised to x plus 1 by x is common out from this whole equation. So we left with x into 1 minus 1 by x square plus here it's 1 is equal to dt. Now multiply x here. So I left with 1 x minus 1 by x into e raised to x plus 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Okay. So see friends, I by small thinking I can get the idea how to implement it. Okay, so this whole thing becomes dt. So integration dt is my answer. Integration dt is equal to t plus c. And what is t? T is x into e raised to x plus 1 by x. So x into e raised to x plus 1 by x plus c is my answer. So right answer is answer option number B. X into e raised to x plus 1 by x is the right answer option. Okay. So these are the sums of integration chapter. For tomorrow's video lecture, I am also going to post past year JEE solved problems, and I made you think how to solve the problems. Okay, those students who don't know the formula, please ask me in comment. I post, and I also going to post for those students who don't know the formula. Okay, please watch all the video and make the notes of that, and if you don't understand at the one time, please repeat it. Okay, there is no charge to repeat the video one and more time. Okay, if you don't understand, ask me in comments. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you like this, don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Okay.